For prying and removing old door jambs during DIY repairs, the right set of tools and techniques makes the job faster and protects the surrounding trim. Start with a sturdy pry bar sized for the opening, ideally a flat bar about 16 inches long for good leverage without overbending the trim. Use a trim puller or a small finishing bar to get under molding without splitting it. Slide it slowly along the stop and tap the tang with a rubber mallet to ease the blade deeper. When you encounter stubborn nails, drive a short block of scrap wood against the jamb and tap the pry bar so force is distributed and the frame does not twist. A reciprocating saw fitted with a demolition blade is invaluable for cutting through nails and tenons behind the jamb. Cut carefully along the gap between jamb and rough opening to free the assembly without hacking into the wall. Keep a set of long nose pliers or locking pliers to grab and pull cut nails and to twist out nail shanks that resist straight pulling. Work incrementally from the top down and protect finished surfaces with thin cardboard or a piece of scrap trim to prevent scuffs during levering. Common mistakes include prying without protecting the surrounding wall and trim, which can chip paint and drywall. Prevent that by placing a thin sacrificial board or sheet of rigid cardboard between the bar and the surface, and take lighter, controlled taps. Another is forcing the jamb out as a single piece when it is held by hidden blocks and nails. Instead, locate and cut the fasteners with a reciprocating saw and free the jamb in sections so you do not split the stud or header. A third issue is relying on screwdrivers or small chisels for leverage, which bends tools and damages trim. Use purpose-built flat bars or trim pullers and the rubber mallet for controlled force and reserve screwdrivers for small finish work only. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing their services and service areas. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post photos so you can see how similar door jamb removals were handled in real projects.